Welcome beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do an install by Alipearl.com, and as usual, I'm just showing you guys what I got in my package that you can get on the website. So the hair that we'll be styling today is this beautiful 26-inch wear and go body wave lace closure wig, and this is their 4x7 lace closure. And as you guys can see, it's already pre-cut for you. It comes with an adjustable band on the inside, the combs to attach, and also this hair is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre everything else for you. So basically this hair is prepped and ready to go, but I like to do a little extra razzle dazzle with my wigs, and that is doing a run through with my hot comb. Like, that is a must. And as you guys can see, that was the quickest run through I've ever done because it was super flat already. Now since this is a 4x7 closure, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of bronzing powder on my wig cap because I won't be doing the ball cap method, and I just want this to be a seamless and effortless install, and also we need it to be done in an instant. So I'm going to put a little bit of that bronzing powder onto the lace itself to help to get it to best match my natural complexion. I also adjust the band in the back so that I could wear this glueless. Now this is 100% glueless. You really don't have to use any glue with this. You don't have to do any type of skilled install. Like, this is for beginners, this is for everybody. Now I felt like the cut was a tad bit too perfect. When it's too perfect, it becomes visible, so I made it a little bit more jaggedy so that it could be disguised a bit more. Then I'm gonna go in with some more of that bronzing powder to help hide my wig cap at the parting space. Now one thing with me when I'm doing a bust down middle part, like, I like to do a little swoop to the swoops on the side. Like, I can't help it. Now you do not have to do that. And also I love me a fresh brush out of the package. Like, straight rip me out the package or the plastic or whatever Lotto said. Yes, I am for it when it comes to the edge brush. So I just swoop that down with some EBIN spray on my edge brush. That's the only place I spray it on, just to keep the swoops in place, and then I tie it down. Now for this hair, I wanted it to frame my face. It comes with its natural curls, but I'm gonna one curl it, just give it a little bit of loose curls over again. But first I need it to frame my face, so I'm doing a little bit of layering in the front, and I just feel like the hair looks so much fuller when you give it a layered look in the front, like bombshell curls, chef's kiss in love. So I'm just doing a little light curling type of situations. I use two different type of curling iron to do this. First I use a regular curling iron, and then I use the one iron. I'm just trying to get it to be fluffy and nice. Like, yes girl, we need it to be puffed up, body waves, eating all of that good stuff. So I'm going to use this wig shine. I'm just spraying it on my hands as opposed to directly on the wig because I don't want it to be too shiny. I just needed to get that light sheen. So I just run it through the hair. It is super lightweight if you do it in your hand as opposed to spraying it directly on the hair. Like, I don't want it to be way down. I just need it to have that nice professional gloss look. And then I'm going to go back in with the curling iron to fix up the front and just bring this hair to even more life. Now this hair was super lightweight. It was so full, and the quality of it was absolutely giving. I didn't experience any shedding with the hair. It was easy to curl, and it was just everything. So this is the completed look. I am loving the curls. Look at the body on this wig. absolutely gorgeous. I love how easy it was to install. It was installed in no time at all. This is the perfect wig for beginners, and also something quick and easy that you can wear daily. And as you guys can see, it just demonstrated that this is still glueless. I didn't apply any glue or any spray on the lace off camera. It is sitting without the glue and I'm loving it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the details will be in the description box down below. And I love you guys so much for watching. Go and big up on yourself. Bye guys.